Understanding the historical tensions between Iran and Israel. Iran and Israel have a complex history shaped by ideological, political, and territorial disputes. The deployment of advanced fighter jets raises concerns about military readiness and potential conflict escalation. Such military movements often signify a shift in regional power dynamics and strategic posturing. Increased tensions can impact global oil prices and disrupt international shipping routes significantly. Diplomacy remains crucial. Effective communication can prevent misunderstandings and foster peace efforts. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more insights.